Hello, winning product number 1. Many people see just this product. It's start in January 2022, but as the data we have, it's still selling a lot. This is named the glass hair. You could see the video up, the glass hair remover. Yeah, very nice product. Come with 8 different colors. Very nice carton unpacking. You could brand it very easy. The estimated price, include the shipping, is around $8 to $10. The main countries is USA, Canada, Australia, UK, and most of Europe. We could do the branding, we could do the photo shooting, the video shooting for your products as well. You could just find all the details on the link below, and you could please just, if you could just subscribe, follow the channel, and keep following to see every day one winning product. Let's do some money, guys. You take good care. See you next video. Bye bye.